Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. You can select it also from the quick list, and we have to get this application from the Lutin developer, launcher iOS 14. Let's click install. Right now we can open the application. Accept all of the permissions that pop up on your screen. Here we can set up other things. There's a lot of things that we can customize, but let's go apply this launcher. So click here and select remember my choice and tap on the iOS launcher 14. Tap on this notification that we got it, and it loads all our stuff that we have on the smartphone. And here we get also the widgets on the left side, and we can maybe try to edit the home screen icons. So, as you can see, that's how we can get this launcher on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.